Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I want to do an unboxing of Banks Performance 64 310 Pedal Monster. This is going to be going on a 2020 7.3 Godzilla 4x4 F-250. The reason why you install these kits is a lot of times these vehicles with drive-by wires since 2004 have severe throttle lag to them, or as Banks calls them, dead pedals. You hit the gas, you might see the RPM drop up a little bit, and it does nothing. I want to fix that. I want to be able to use all 435 horsepower and 475 foot-pounds of torque this truck has to offer. So we'll do an unboxing. I'll show you guys how to install it. We'll take it out, we'll drive it, see how she runs. Stay tuned. Alright, here's what you get. I ordered mine through Summit Racing for $295 as of this date of this video. Like I said, again, there's what you want for a pretty much a 20, at least a 2020 and up 6.2 and 7.3, possibly even the 6.7 Ford Super Duty. Alright, when you open up the box, there it is. Let's see, you gotta do this one-handed. Alright, here it is, the Pedal Monster. There's everything on the back. There's the latest firmware in it. Alright, so at first glance, looks to be a reset button possibly back there. I could be wrong. But, looks like you have tabs for zip ties. And this should match right up to the throttle pedal on the truck. Got another connector up here, which, lo and behold, there it is. The reason why I went with the Banks Pedal Monster instead of, let's say, the Pedal Commander or the other options out there is what they said. This will get a direct 12-volt source, 12-volt constant, which will go from here to one of those. In case this unit does frag out or fail, the truck will always have a pedal. All right, what else we get in the box? A thank you. This looks to be a jumper of some sort and some zip ties. Alright, now with everything out of the box, you get nice decals for your truck, the Pedal Monster, your OBD power, and closer look at this, it's a twisted pair, so I'm guessing that's for the can signal, along with the zip ties. And there'll be your installation manual. But on the back, I'm doing a standalone, so if you buy this kit, you'll get this and see how to install it. There she is. 2020, delivered late October of 2020. This is January 22nd, so it's only about 2.5 months old. Like I said, this is my 7.3 F-250 4x4 long box. And to prove to everybody, there it is, 7.3 Godzilla. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so the instructions said that little jumper wire, which is for the can, obviously because it goes here to the OBD port, plugs into that harness because it's a 4-pin to 6-pin, and it says you can plug into any one of these. So I imagine the other port would be used for the eye gauge, eye dash that Banks has. Alright, so we're going to look at this together. Let me get a light on the situation. All right, everybody, as you can see, there's the throttle pedal right there. One end, the female end, is plugged into the pedal. The male end of the harness is plugged into the wired harness of the truck. And come around to here, there's the OBD2 connector. I'll get all that tied up somewhere nice and neat underneath here, somewhere underneath the dash. I'm honestly thinking probably somewhere around here, around this trailer brake module. That bracket might be a good spot out of the way of the brake pedal. There it is. I said, yeah, it won't stay on the floor. All right, we're in the truck. See, I've got it hooked up down there right now. Just got to sit on the floorboard because I want to drive it first, and then I'll go up underneath there and make sure it's all nice and pretty. All right, this truck has 4,249 miles on it. I do drive it every day. All right. Seatbelt on for safety. All right, so since I'm doing this on my cell phone, it's kind of hard to show you guys what I'm doing with this with the screen. But it's an app that you go to either your Google Play Store or whatever Apple uses. Download the Pedal Monster app, and then once you get it, you can pair it to the Pedal Monster, set it up, and honestly, it's pretty quick and you're good to go. So, right now, seems a little peppier. Now, this device is not going to increase your horsepower or your torque. It's just going to, in layman terms, speed up the throttle signal from the pedal to the PCM. Get rid of that designed inherent throttle lag. So, whoa. Yeah, you got to be a little extra careful first time. And I'm in my neighborhood, so I don't want to get too crazy with it. Oh yeah. Whoa. Wow. Already, I mean, barely giving it 10%, 5 to 10% throttle. It is a huge night and day difference. All right, let's see, we'll drive down here down this little side street, get back onto the main road, and I'm just gonna floor it. All right, go ahead. All right, whoa. Oh, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. Yeah, so Ford introduced this 7.3 Godzilla engine in early 2020. And I work for Ford Motor Company, and when I heard about this engine coming out years ago, I got really excited about it. I'm like, oh, I've definitely got to get me one of these. Let's see, we are on track, cranked up right now, and 15. Woo! All right, I don't feel the dead pedal like I used to. All right, let's let it come down. Shift up. There you go. Ooh, stoplight. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Oh yeah. Oh, this thing right off vital. It just wants to lunge now. This is great. I'm probably going to take it down to sport and tune with it like in the middle of the range, like between like 4 and 7, up in that area right there. See what it does, and you can take it down to city, which just makes it a little bit more mundane, or take it to stock. And like I said, the nice thing about this, it doesn't go through and change your. Oh yeah, that's how she should drive. That's how it needs to drive. Yeah, it kind of acts like a cable-driven throttle vehicle. 435 horsepower, it definitely feels like it now. All right, everybody. Well, thanks for watching the video. I'm going to play with this a little bit more, but I hope I could give you a little bit of insight on the unboxing, what it looked like, and basically a little bit of the install and underneath the dash look of a 2017 and up Ford Super Duty. Like I said, this is a 2020 if anybody is interested. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll bring out some content for you guys next time. Have a good one.